3/4 time, no sharps or flats. However, it's not really in the key of C major. I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm not here to teach you theory. Just know that if there's no sharps or flats, we're just using the white keys here. Okay, fine, you ask. It's kind of in a Mixolydian mode type thing. It's a, so we got modes. Go look it up. Go Google music modes, musical modes or something like that. And you can read all about them. Right hand first. Let's make sure we get the notes and the rhythms. You're starting third finger on B. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm not holding the hand still. I'm trying to use the fingers to push the notes down. I don't recommend it. Just transfer weight, let the weight push the finger down. The second line, now you want third finger on C, so we got to come up one. The whole hand moves. And then at the end of the second line, you get a full rest, a full measure rest, I should say. 3-beat rest, I'll get there. You come back down to where you were. The hand moves back. And it stays there for the rest of the piece. Now at the end, keep in mind the last two measures in the right hand, that G, that's tied. So those G's, you only play the first one and hold it down then for 5 counts through the whole thing. Don't play it again, just hold it down. That's what the tie is for. The left hand just has broken chords. You see these 3 notes? It's a G chord. Doesn't matter what key you're in, that's still a G chord. And it's a broken chord. In this case, it's just walking up. And again, I'm transferring weight from finger to finger. The wrist is kind of moving, but I don't pay any attention to the wrist. I don't want a solid, stiff wrist. I just let the wrist relax, and it moves however it wants to move. I don't worry about it. It ends up being in a circle, but that's just what it does. Then you get the second line. The little finger stays where it is. You just come at the thumb is actually the only thing that moves up. The rest of the hand is staying there. You just come up here. Really, it's the thumb that covers 2 notes here. That's quite common. And the last line, this one. Put the hands together slowly, it's here. Like so. When you can do that, okay. Now I might be going a little fast. You take it at your speed, however slow. Get rid of the hesitations, work those out so the beat is steady all the way through. Then we can go back and add these slurs. Well, for the left hand, just connect everything. Play it all connected, all the way through. It says legato underneath it, which is fine. I'll do it anyway. That's fine. The right hand will lift up between the slurs. So at the end of the last measure, the first line you're here. That comes in handy because you got to move. So as you lift up, you simply go up 1 key. That's fine, but keep the left hand connected. Then come back down. So lift up between the slurs in the right hand, but connect the left hand all the way. And once you can do that, then you go back and try this dynamics. They give you a little bit. It's piano at this first. That's the right hand. The left has to be very soft. We want to hear the right hand, and you'll have to decide how soft is. Try and figure. It'll change from time to time and place to place and piano to piano and blah. So whatever it is for today in this situation, that's soft. Keep the left hand really soft. Next line is moderately soft, so it's just a little louder, but it's still on the soft side. Then you have that decrescendo, go back down to soft. Third line is soft again, and then the fourth line you're moderately soft, going down to soft again. Then we add the tempo. Allegretto is between moderato and allegro. It's a personal thing. What do you? It's not necessarily how fast the beat goes. That's the kind of a misconception. Okay, they think tempo. Okay, how fast is the beat? Well, I don't know. It's how fast does the overall feel of the message, of the music go? What's allegretto to the feel of this? It's like, is that, that's kind of an allegretto type feel with a beat's going 1, 2, 3, 1. That's kind of fast. Don't care. It's the feel of the piece, so it's there. That's my impression of allegretto. You might be a little faster or slower or whatever, and other people won't agree with that. Oh no, you're all wrong on that one. It should be this. Yeah, bully for them, but for right now in this lesson, that's what I'm saying it is. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but I will try and do the slurs. So I'm going to give us 3 counts because it's in 3/4 time. Now let's just do it really slowly together. 1, ready, go. Off.